YouTube channel, Cecilia Howard. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be showing how to make a grilled tilapia fish. Oh yes! If you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome. This is Cecilia Howard YouTube channel. In today's video, again, I will be making a grilled tilapia fish. Yes, I will be sharing with you ingredients to make this tilapia fish. We'll be grilling the fish now, and I have this. I'll be putting the fish on the wire. This will allow the fish to get done in time. And I have the fish ready. It's out here. So I have vegetable oil there. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of oil. To coat the fish from boiling. So this is ready to go into the oven, and we'll see. I'm going to broil this fish for 45 minutes in the oven.